What's up everyone, Luke here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about iCloud scams and why you shouldn't be falling for them. Let's go. Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be talking about iCloud scams. So there are a lot of new people popping up that have iCloud removal in their name. One of them that many of you may have seen is called iCloud Kenneth or iCloud removal or I remove iCloud. These people are making fake Facebook profiles and they are targeting newer people to phone flipping, and even older people or moderately older people to phone flipping are getting scammed also. So first off, these are iCloud unlocking scams. Basically, the person pitches to you that they can unlock your parts phones that are sitting around and basically double your profit, and they typically charge anywhere from $50 to $75 and sometimes even upwards to $100. First off, do not fall for anybody like this. It is a complete 100% scam. These people are just out there to try and make an easy pitch to you to get you to gamble on the fact that they can unlock your iPhone, and then they're not going to even give you a guarantee that they're going to be able to unlock it, and when you ask for a refund, they're going to tell you absolutely not, even though they didn't deliver any value to you whatsoever. These people are just out there to make a quick buck off of everybody. There is no way to legitimately unlock an iCloud phone. There are 3 ways to unlock an iCloud phone, and all of them are gray areas. I will explain those 3 methods right now. So 1, people can bring an iPhone into an Apple store and forge a fake receipt and trick Apple employees to remove an iCloud off of a phone, basically impersonating that they are the original owner of the phone and that they forgot their password. That's method number 1. Method number 2 typically takes place over in Hong Kong or overseas in China refurbishing plants, where basically what they will do is they will actually take the guts or the brains out of the iPhone or the iOS, and they will remove the chip that has the IMEI connected to it, and they will steal somebody else's IMEI, which is where you see all of those eBay scammers trying to ask you for the IMEI before they buy your phone. That's where that comes from. They try and steal other people's clean IMEIs, they reprogram the guts of the phone, basically essentially making it a new phone, and they get rid of the iCloud completely. But the iCloud is still on the old chip, so you can never actually fully remove iCloud. The third way to remove iCloud, which is also a gray area, is people will typically send out a phishing email to the original owner's iCloud email in the hopes that they will open it, and the message will typically say, open this email if you'd like your phone returned, or open this email if you'd like to restore your iCloud and get your phone back. Something like that. They've always got kind of a scammy, sketchy headline, which basically makes the original owner excited to open the email, and boom, as soon as they open it or they type in their password, they get phished, they get keylogged, and then that server sends an email back to the person who sent out the phishing email, and then they get the password for the original iCloud and actually remove it. So that being said, those are the 3 ways to remove an iCloud. They're all gray areas and you shouldn't be doing them. So when somebody comes to you and says, I can remove iCloud guarantee, that's absolutely impossible. There is no guaranteed way to remove iCloud from a device every time 100%. Although it is possible, as I just said with the 3 methods described, they are very gray areas, and even then it's not a 100% chance guarantee that it's going to happen. So when you guys are paying these people who promise you iCloud unlocks, know that 1, they are probably scamming you, and 2, they are committing very, very, very gray areas in order to obtain or remove the iCloud for you, and even then, very low success rate. So unless you're going to be shipping the phone over to Hong Kong and then they're going to ship it back, which is very unlikely, you're not going to be removing the iCloud from the phone. And even if you were to do that, once again, you are taking somebody else's clean IMEI off of a phone without the permission and removing the iCloud, which is not something you want to be known for or do. So all of these people out there that are popping up that have iCloud removal in their name, etc. A lot of them are scammers from overseas. Some of them are domestic within the USA, but I pretty much guarantee you that they cannot remove the iCloud on your phone. That is all gray area stuff, and it's just not going to work. The only person out there that I know that is one source that is pretty legitimate when it comes to iCloud unlocks advice and then actually unlocking phones is Tony Baker. He owns GSM Warehouse. He was also on ABC News. Me and him are pretty good friends. He does a ton of unlocking, iCloud unlock, troubleshooting, etc. Not sure exactly how the guy does it. Might be one of the 3 methods. That's his deal. But if you want it done legitimately, message Tony Baker on Facebook of GSM Warehouse and let him know that Luke Deutschlander referred you. This is the only guy out there that is completely legitimate and actually somewhat fair when it comes to this. All of these scammers out there will take your money, and when it doesn't work, they won't even offer you a credit or any kind of refund. Tony, however, from what I know, if you do purchase an unlock service and it doesn't work, you will get it credited back to your account, and then you have to use that credit to purchase another service. But at least you get something back, where most of these guys, once they get your $50 to $70 and it doesn't work, boom, they're gone, and they probably aren't even doing it legitimately anyways, like people like Tony Baker. The guy has been in the industry for a long time, he's a very smart individual, and he does a lot of other unlocks, etc. So that being said, I just kind of wanted to put this video out there because I see a lot of these people popping up, and a lot of people are now questioning, can you really iCloud unlock a device? Is it possible? Is this a scam? So I hope this answers everybody's questions. I hope you get some value from this, and I hope you learn something in this video, and I hope that it prevents people from getting scammed. So that being said, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.